pure electric-driven, YUNL electric connector. Connected by an electric wire, it can be controlled remotely. Or by buttons. It's easy to install and simple to operate. Electric is a better choice than manual and hydraulic. It clamps as tight as hydraulic couplers, but avoids hydraulic failures. It is more efficient than hydraulic because we have an automatic safety lock block. No need to get off the vehicle to manually insert the bolt. It has a flat push structure designed to ensure safety and reliability. A complete and reliable electric coupler needs a sturdy and durable shell as support. And for core components, first, the waterproof and shockproof brushless motor with high torque to achieve sufficient torque for clamping. Second, it has a powerful and stable transmission self-locking device to lock after clamping without loosening. Third, there is a fully automatic safety locking device to ensure safer operation. Fourth, there is a small and stable wireless controller to achieve a convenient installation and operation, and ensures circuit safety. Our hub structure, with 4 major parts and matching designs, have been put on the market after continuous use. It has been verified to be stable and successful.